Hey everybody, so I started a little project back in 2018 and now it is finally ready. It's called Total Heavy Guitar and it's the metal guitar recording course I wish someone had made back when I was trying to learn how to record my guitar amps. We didn't have social media or YouTube, we only had forums. Forums that convinced me that the real reason I wasn't getting the guitar tones I wanted was because I didn't have a $5,000 set of analog to digital converters. This clip I'm gonna play here, according to the information available at the time, wasn't from a lack of technique, but rather a lack of money spent. Fortunately, in 2005, I had finally found the Andy Sneap forum, where many of us like-minded home recording engineers helped each other out to get better tones. Turns out, it wasn't my converters, it was just a bad SM57. Once I figured that out, it still took years. Years of research, trial and error, and many, many notes. And then finally, I had a breakthrough. Now, the reason I called that song The Eagle Has Landed was because for me, it represented a victory. I finally got a tone I could be proud of. It was my personal moon landing, but it was only the start. The research and experimentation continued. I learned new techniques, how to blend mics, amps, cabs, all to create new tones. Now the great thing is, you don't have to gain 100 pounds and spend 20 years of your life learning this stuff. I've already managed to make every single mistake imaginable and taken what's left, which is the stuff that works, and condensed it down into a 4-hour lesson. Total Heavy Guitar. There are 16 parts breaking down everything you'd ever want to know about the art of miking a guitar amp for metal. And I'll be clear, this is not about how to dial in an amp sim. This is about how to use the real thing, get real results, and stand apart in a multitude of clones. We take a look at how to find the best speaker for recording on a 4x12, how to pick the right mic for the job, and how to dial in an amp for a crushing metal tone. We look at preamps, the cheap ones versus the really expensive ones, and see if they're actually needed for recording metal guitar, or if it's just hype. We cover mic position and how it affects your tone. There's also parts on blending mics, proper gain staging, pick technique, mixing metal guitar tracks for maximum impact, and even one on simple tricks to improve your guitar's tone. Total Heavy Guitar is the most comprehensive lesson on recording metal guitar out there. It's taken a year and a half to put together, and it's finally available today. What's more is that we have a dedicated Discord to Total Heavy Guitar, and I'll also be doing weekly live streams to answer your questions about the lesson. Grab it now and learn how to get the tones you've been dreaming of getting. The link is in the description below.